Respicaire offers commercial indoor air quality solutions. The Respicaire BioClean is a commercial-grade ultraviolet germicidal irradiation light. According to the EPA, we spend over 90% of our time indoors. Schools are a great application for the Respicaire BioClean ultraviolet purifier. There are many commercial applications for UVGI, including gyms, yoga studios, or anywhere there are mats. The Respicaire BioClean also works well anywhere where many people gather, including daycares, nursing homes, and groomers. We breathe all the time, and we breathe in bad things that are in the air. The Respicaire BioClean is a commercial-grade UVGI unit, designed to fit most commercial applications. The Respicaire BioClean is high output, the wattage is intense. High output is standard, not an option you pay extra for. The BioClean is designed to size quickly. It is also engineered for quick and easy install and service. The Respicaire BioClean comes with a parabolic reflector. This stops UV light from going where you don't want it to go, and also shines the UV light back at the coil, like a laser. The BioClean offers a telescoping frame. This allows for easy adjustments in the field. The BioClean is equipped with H-frame magnets for easy mounting. This allows for multiple configurations, including horizontal, vertical, or on an angle. The BioClean also comes in smaller versions, for air handlers, rooftops, or smaller tonnage systems. These units are also high output. The Respicaire BioClean units are third-party tested to inactivate SARS-CoV-2 in seconds. For commercial-grade UV protection, trust the Respicaire BioClean. For more information on the Respicaire BioClean, check out www.respicaire.com.